Back here at home, a new tool will soon be available in Virginia to help people who have autism or intellectual disabilities enhance their lives.
8 News reporter Sydney Cameron is live for us outside the DMV in Chesterfield with more on a new law that goes into effect July 1st. Sydney.
Amy, this is going to help hundreds of people across the Commonwealth. We're talking about medical indicators on state IDs. It'll help people with intellectual disabilities if they ever get into a police situation, as well as if they happen to go missing.
For Pam Mines, JP's law is literally her dream come true.
June 19, 2013, and I woke up that morning and I was like, I have to contact Senator McEachin.
Named after her 10-year-old son, JP, who has autism, the new law allows people who have an intellectual disability to get a code put on their Virginia driver's license or state ID card.
My son is a wanderer. If something happened and he had that and we're able to teach him to have a wallet and have his ID, when law enforcement pulls that out, they will see it.
Pam played a major role in helping to get the law passed, including working with congressmen, local advocacy groups, and law enforcement.
Across the world, there are officers that are having interactions with individuals on the autism spectrum and other special needs, and not by the fault of the officer, but the situations are going south.
Sergeant Tim Sutton with the Hanover County Sheriff's Office says these medical indicators will alert officers so they can better understand and handle traffic stops and other situations.
With that indicator, once we walk up and see that and get that information, we may need to go back and turn those blue lights off or turn the radios down so we're not overstimulating that person.
Meanwhile, back at Pam's house, the excitement for the new law is building.
We plan on being the first ones in line.
Now, that law goes into effect on July 1st, so starting then, that's when you will be able to come into the DMV, bring your regular information, as well as a diagnosis note from your doctor, and you'll be able to get a medical indicator, and it'll be on the front and back of your state license or state ID card. It's a code that only law enforcement will be able to know. For now, reporting live in Chesterfield County, Sydney Cameron, 8 News.
Thanks, Sydney. That is very interesting. I'm sure it will bring a relief to a lot of parents.
And helps law enforcement out as well every time they stop a car, so good thing to know.